Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine to stay at home. Dear students, do you have remember our previous class? Yes, in previous class we have to start a new chapter, chapter 12. The name of the chapter is Bangladesh and Regional Cooperation. In the previous class, that means last class, we discussed about some remarkable regional organizations. One of the important regional organization is SAARC. Besides SAARC, there are many regional cooperations. So today we have to discuss others regional cooperation like as Asean, EU, European Union, G7, Group 7, OIC, NAM, African League. So firstly, we have to discuss about Asean. Asean is an important regional organization. The full form of Asean is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Asean means A for association, S for South, E for East, A for Asian, N for nations. So the full form of Asean is Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Asean was established 8 August 1967. There are 10 members in Asean. In your book, there is a problem. Here, write the members are 8, but originally the members are 10. So you have to correct it. There are 10 members. 1. Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Brunei, Cambodia, Singapore and Myanmar. You have to write in your book that Asean has 10 members and they are Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Brunei, Cambodia. You have to write add the name of Singapore and Myanmar. So there are 10 members and the headquarters of Asean is Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. Now we have to discuss about the goals and purposes of Asean. That means the working field of Asean. Asean works with economic development, social, cultural, technological cooperation and amity among members. And it also works to sustain peace and stability in that region, expand agriculture and industry. So now we read in book, goals and purposes of Asean: to work for economic development throughout collective endeavor, to sustain peace and stability in that region, to work for social, cultural, economic and technological cooperation and amity among the member countries, to organize training and research in professionals and vocational fields among themselves. And Asean give the emphasis to expand cooperation in agriculture and industrial sectors among the member countries. So Asean is an important regional organization of Southeast Asia. I say it again, you have to correct in your book that the members of Asean are 10. You have to add the name of Singapore and Myanmar. Now, I will discuss about some other regional organization. Firstly, EU. What is the abbreviation of EU? European Union. European Union is a regional cooperation organization of West European countries. Then the scope of the common market was expanded as European Union. The European Union was established to create an open market economy. And the European Union has started their own currency known as Euro. European has own currency like Euro. Euro is the currency of European Union. European Union, all the countries of European Union use Euro alongside their own currency. Today, the member countries can communicate, settle and carry on trade and commerce from one country to another freely. European Union was established to expand trade and commerce and free industrial to create a free industrial sector from one country to another freely. The headquarters of European Union is situated in Brussels, the capital city of Belgium. Another regional organization is G7. That means Group 7. Group 7 was a regional cooperation organization. It has, for example, the rich industrially development and influential country have formed G7. The richest and industrially developed and influential country of the world create a group. The name of the group is Group 7. So the member of the country, the influential rich country of the world, USA, second UK, United Kingdom, third Canada, fourth Italy, 5 Japan, 6 France, and 7 Germany. We know that the 7 countries are the mostly influential, richest and industrially developed country of the world. This group not only extends cooperation among the members but also consider extending help and support to the developing countries like others. This Group 7 not only works with these member countries, it also works to help the developing country like our country Bangladesh. Besides, G7 also considered and discussed about the world's important issues like global warming, climate change, etc. And it also discussed to make the world free from poverty, illiteracy, poor health, and decides own strategies. There is another regional organization like OAU, Organization of African Union. If we see the name, we have to know that the member of the countries are African countries. So there are another country that is Arab League. All the Arabian countries are the member of the country. And there are another organization that is OIC, Organization of Islamic Community. All the Muslim countries of the world are the member of OIC. Bangladesh attained the membership of OIC in 1974. And Bangladesh also a member of the community Commonwealth. Those countries who have the member of United Kingdom, they are the member of Commonwealth. And there are 54 members. And another organization name is NAM, Non-Aligned Movement. Non-aligned movement has been formed by the countries who are not members of any military association. It is the rules of NAM that the members do not have any military association. Bangladesh is an important member of the non-aligned movement. Now we have to addition that a term bilateral conduct or agreement. That means Bilateral cooperation means দ্বিপাক্ষিক সহযোগিতা। When the two countries cooperate one another, that is bilateral cooperation. Now I read, bilateral cooperation agreement is signed between two countries for mutual cooperation. At present, this type of agreement is on the rise because this agreement of bilateral cooperation is the most effective one in the field of cooperation. So, after finishing this chapter, we learned about the importance of regional cooperation. It is very much important for the development of the world, in the social, economic, cultural development. So, one country help another country for this sector. So, dear students, that's all for today. I think you have to enjoy the video and complete the worksheet that is uploaded by our website. So, thank you.